Hello and welcome back to another Andrew Marston Fitness Meal Prep. Today we are making a very quick and easy buffalo chicken wrap, shredded buffalo chicken wrap. Excellent portable option. Going to be taking you through it in the next couple of minutes here. It takes about 10 minutes start to finish. Incredibly simple and easy. And for those who stick around to the end, I'm going to be giving you a free training on exercise execution. But you've got to do one thing at the end, so stick around for that. This is about as easy as a recipe you'll ever get from me. So we have here some mixed salad, some peppers to put in with the wraps. This is chicken that's been basted in buffalo sauce. So you can do this overnight, you can do it for a couple of hours. You don't even need to do it at all, but it's good. It's just been soaking in this red wine sauce with salt, pepper and a bit of garlic powder. And also these whole wheat wraps. Let's get into it. All I've done is got the pan reasonably hot, sprayed it with some pan spray, and I'm just going to cook up this chicken. That's going to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes roughly. You just want to continue to stir it throughout, just kind of moving it about. And while that's cooking, I'm going to cut up this pepper and set the wraps and the salad to one side, and then that'll be it, good to go. You can make a couple of these up in advance, no bother as well. Put them into a packed lunch and that's you sorted for work. So you can see here, all I've got is the wraps with some salad, the chopped up pepper. The chicken is cooking in the background, that's it all ready to go. There still needs a wee bit of time, the chicken yet. I'm cooking 2 lots of chicken because it takes the exact same amount to cook 2 lots of chicken as it does 1. So you're always better cooking in bulk. You could just simply cook the chicken, put it in the wraps, that's you good to go for a meal, or you can wrap them up, take them to work, easy. I'm going to toast them straight after this and I'll show you the final product when I'm putting them together as well. That's the chicken ready and cooked. As I said, I made out 2 portions. So all I'm going to do is put this chicken into here and take half the chicken, so that's 300, 150 or 75 onto each one for a total of 150. Again, it doesn't need to be majorly accurate. As long as I get down to the 150 over the 2. This is a bit of a mess at the moment, but we'll tidy it up in a second. This is real life. So nearly there. 168, 163, 157, 152. So the other half will just be used on another day, and this then I won't need to cook any other chicken. This is the power of making just 2 and 3 things at a time. So much easier. Now I'm going to grill these. So all you do is I like this fork. Just put everything to one side so you've got a wee bit at the bottom. Fold up the bottom, fold across, and then just roll it like that. And then you toast it top side first so that it holds it in place. I could probably actually bring this a wee bit more to this side. Just like that. Easy. And you could just have them like that. Bit of chicken there. Going to eat it. But you could just have them like that, wrap them up and you're good to go. But I'm going to grill them and I'll show you the final product in a minute. There you have the final product. 2 buffalo chicken wraps. I don't need to be able to see much on the inside here. But an ideal, there you go. An ideal 10-minute recipe that you can throw together, no bother at all. Incredibly simple, convenient. Again, you don't need to grill them at the end either. You can just take them up on the go. Ideal. But I said for those who stuck around at the end, there would be an exercise execution training sent over. If you want that training, all you have to do is comment below exercise execution. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, it really helps me out. Comment what recipe you'd like to see next below. Also subscribe for more, and if you really think it could help somebody, share these videos on, it means a lot. Thanks very much, see you in the next one.